Assalamu everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing mince filled battlegrounds curry recipe with you guys. So let's get started. So we'll start off by taking 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and then add in a medium-sized chopped onion. Saute for a while and then add in a tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste. Cover for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next goes in 4 to 5 crushed green chilies. Add in the spices listed on the screen. Also add in a few tablespoons of water to mix the spices together. About 600 grams of beef mince. Cover and keep it on medium flame till the water gets evaporated and the mince gets tender. Peel off the battleground skin, then coat them in a teaspoon of salt and let them sit for about 2 hours. Then wash and dry with a soft fabric. Deep fry them on medium flame until they get a bit golden. Here you can see that the water is evaporated and the mince is completely tendered. Fill the battlegrounds as shown. Prepare all of them with the same procedure and then save the leftover mince, we'll use that later. Take a pan and add in 1/4 cup of oil in it. Next goes in 3 medium sliced onions. Saute for a while and then cover until the onions get softened. Now add in 3 medium tomatoes in cubes. Cover so that the tomatoes get softened. Now add in the spices listed on the screen. Cover and keep it on low flame for about 5 minutes. Add the leftover mince to the mixture. Now place the prepared battlegrounds into the mixture. Cover and keep it on low flame for about 5 minutes. that's all for today. Don't forget subscribing to my channel and turn that black thumb blue. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care and have a good day.